Hello, it's me again. My hair's wet right now. It's almost done drying, but I just thought I wanted to look a little nice today. Look a little pretty or whatever. Do I look pretty?
Comment down below.
Nah, just kidding. Don't tell me I look pretty, because then my head's gonna blow up. Because I'm gonna be so gassed. I'm gonna be bleach tie-dyeing shirts and like upcycling and doing all that with like a bunch of clothes I found that I don't wear. Yeah, I never tie-dyed nothing in my life. Maybe when I was like in elementary school, but besides that, I don't think I ever have. So this is gonna be new for me and new for you. We're learning together, okay? I do upcycle clothes sometimes, so like that's not new, but like tie-dyeing, never really done. I'm excited to do this. I wanna, you know, make some cool shit. Like, I'm dying to be creative. If you like this video, like and subscribe. I only have 20 subscribers right now. Hopefully I'm gonna get my views up. I'm trying to grow this channel organically. I don't post this shit on my Instagram or anything. Like, literally, if you find this, like, you're finding this for yourself. Like, nobody watching this is coming from like my Instagram or my Twitter or from anything. So consider yourself special, because you are special and I love you. Okay, so the first shirt we have is a plain old green sweater. Nothing really to it, nothing exciting there. Second shirt we have a plain black t-shirt that I have already gotten bleach on from bleaching my hair. Boring as hell. Third, we have a green sweatshirt, pretty boring, just nothing to it. And now we have an Iron Man t-shirt. I felt like this would look cool tie-dye, so yeah. Oh, there's me trying to be a model. Okay. Oh my god, stop dancing, please. Alright, now we have these pants. They're really cute and I really like them, but they have a big ass stain right there from popcorn from the movie theater. And now we have these pink pants. I don't know what I was doing there. They're just plain pink pants. They don't really fit me, but I felt like they would look cool bleached. So what are we gonna need? Bleach. Rubber bands. I got these from the dollar store. Also, I got the bleach at the dollar store. Scissors. Last thing you're gonna need is a little squeezy bottle. Oh, and gloves. I'm personally not gonna use gloves because I don't feel like it. Please use gloves if you're gonna do this at home. My hands can take it. They've been through a lot of shit with this hair. They've been through a lot of shit. Why am I out of breath? Honestly, it's probably because these pants are so tight. Quarantine got me gaining a little weight. If anybody's passing by like while I do this shit, I'm literally right in front of my window. Right in front of it. So if people pass by, they see me doing all this weird shit and they're probably like, she's on crack. Like, she's on crack. But I'm not on crack. I'm on life. Although we're in quarantine. Let's make this bleach water concoction. Mine, you see how it has measurements on it? Who cares? You don't really need to know the measurements, but it could be useful. And it's gonna be half bleach, half water. Because this, oh fuck. Is that laying on the floor? Because my mom will beat my ass. Okay, now that I've cleaned up the floor, now what we're gonna do is fill the rest up with water. Voila. Okay, so you're gonna want to change out your clothes, obviously. And now I'm like twisting the Iron Man shirt in the middle, and you know, it's pretty self-explanatory. And then I just put rubber bands on it. what my idea was with this. I just flipped the shirt over and then did the same thing that I did with the Iron Man shirt. And then again, put rubber bands on it. Okay, so for this, I just tucked the sleeves in and then rolled it up and put rubber bands on it again. I don't know what the fuck I was doing with this, truly, honestly. Alright, for the shirts that I was actually like tie-dyeing, I just used a little squirter bottle and, you know, did that, put on pretty much all over. I mean, there wasn't really any technique that I had. And then I tried to do it on these pants, but it wasn't really working. So I went and got a bucket. So as you can see, what I did with the bucket is just like dip everything in and then squeeze all the bleach out, and then I just let it sit. For this sweater, you can see I like flicked bleach all over it too to make it look like spotted. And then these pants I just dipped in the bleach. So after like 10-15 minutes, I just rinsed out the stuff I dipped in the bucket. We're about to have a tie-dye review before I wash them. So here's the sweatshirt. What the hell? Literally only the back got tie-dyed. This was definitely a fail, I think, but also it kind of looks cool. I don't know. We'll put it in the wash and see how it goes. Hopefully this one's not a fail. Alright, I'll take it. Definitely tie-dyed. Cool. Alright. Cool. I'd say this is like the most, yeah, this is definitely tie-dye. Like you can see the spiral. Like this one's the most tie-dye out of all of them. Yeah. Cool, so now I'm gonna throw everything in the wash. Okay, now for my absolute favorite part, customizing it. So for the sweater, as you can see, I cropped it a little bit at the bottom. And then what I did was pull the strings that were like kind of poking out. I pulled them to make it look super distressed, and I just dragged my scissor like across it, I guess, to like make it look even more distressed. And I added some holes and stuff to the sweater. Alright, now for this. This didn't, what I was originally going for with this was to try to make it into like a tank top and then have safety pins holding the tank top together. And yeah, I don't even know. You can just watch and see what I did. I don't know how this happened. I don't know how. It definitely was not what I was trying to go for. But it kind of is cute, So the last thing I did to this shirt was just add safety pins because otherwise my whole boobs would come out. Okay, and here's a side-by-side comparison of the before and the after. This one was definitely my favorite out of all of them. Like, I literally love how this one looks so much, and I'm super happy with it. Here's the before and after. definitely the only one that was actually tie-dyed correctly and came out how it was supposed to, kind of. Okay, this one definitely did not come out how it was supposed to, but I still think it's cool nonetheless. I've never seen a shirt that was just like tie-dyed in the back, and here I fall. This one's another favorite. I like how it turned out, and I'm so glad that I don't have an oil stain on it anymore and that I can actually wear these again. In this clip, you couldn't really tell the true color of it, but in the top right corner, you can see that where I bleached was a light yellow, and I really like how these pants turned out too. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I did fail a little bit. Not gonna lie, definitely failed at tie-dyeing, but I like how everything ended up turning out, even that weird ass tank top thing that I was trying to do. You never know, you could just go out of yourself and you might end up fucking up and then creating something that looks kind of cool. Yeah, so if you like this video, like and subscribe to me if you like me. I'm gonna be putting out a lot more content while in quarantine. I think my next video is going to be how to do your own acrylic nails. Have a great day. I don't know what else to say. Oh, look at my Depop. I'm gonna list some of the stuff I made on there. I was planning on originally like posting all this stuff to Depop, but I ended up liking what I made, so now I'm gonna actually keep it. Follow my Instagram, follow my Twitter, buy my clothes on Depop. I make music, check out my SoundCloud. Everything's gonna be linked in the description. Thank you so much for watching again, and I hope you have a great day, and I hope you stay safe and stay healthy. Peace out.